Have you ever really wondered what's in the water you drink? Water testing between a reverse osmosis water and the City of Cambridge tap water revealed the total dissolved solids by using a precipitator in the water.
It's called a precipitator test. Okay, so what it does, basically it's just heated. Okay, so this is the RO water, which is 98% pure, nice and clean, and that is city water, which is highly chlorinated. It's actually worse than being in a pool, and it's full of solids, which is TDS, and that's measured by how much solids and junk that's in the water. So usually with city water, it's about 600 parts per million. And with our water, it's anywhere from 4 to 8 parts per million. So all this is doing is just heating up the water, and you can see the difference of all the solids that's coming out from being heated.
So which one would you
All
rather
the junk.
have a bath in?
I'd rather have a bath in this one. So yeah, and that's what people consume and shower in every day, as well as laundry. It's stuck to your clothes. You don't see it, of course, but all the stuff's in there. That's why a lot of people have itchiness. They wonder. People that have eczema, they come in and they get the chlorine, the removal, the refinal that I quoted you, and gone. No itchiness, no red, no nothing. Yeah, so all that's doing is just pulling out whatever junk out of the water. And as you can see, the reverse osmosis, the water you take, there's nothing, because it's pure. That's why a lot of people have kidney problems. All the junk. If you were to drink one glass of this water and then one of these, this you get full off because of all the junk. That one you would never get full.
The May edition of the Canadian Medical Association Journal showed 1,760 boil water advisories across this country. These do not include those advisories in place on 93 First Nations territories. Worst hit area was Ontario. Many advisories have been in place for years, meaning we are not fixing the problem. May 2000 saw deaths and illness in Walkerton due to water contamination. Our water testing included 4 samples. One was the reverse osmosis water, the other filtered tap water of Cambridge, and natural bottled spring water. Cleansing the body becomes tough with all the toxins we are subject to: environment, smoking, food additives, alcohol, pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial pollutants. Weakened immune systems make people more vulnerable to viral, bacterial, fungal, and parasitic infections. Diets that are acidic need to return to an alkaline pH level. Improving diet, exercise, and resting 8 to 10 hours a night helps this process.
Going through you, it's going through every cell in your body. So it's starting to detoxify all the cells in the body. It's not just like taking a colonic that would detoxify the gut.
Right.
This is detoxifying all the cells.
Everything.
Yep.
Okay. And what does the salt do that you put in the water?
It just improves the conductivity for the current, that's all.
Okay.
Some of the black can be heavy metals. Yeah. Some of this is the array deteriorating. These arrays are only good for about 40 sessions.
Okay.
And then the electrolysis eats them.
Right.
So inside the array is a zinc cathode.
Okay.
And some of that will be the zinc cathode breaking down. The blue, some of that is the copper wiring. But the rest of it is you.
Oh.
And this, if you had a look at it, is like silt.
Well.
It looks like it's a hard piece, but it's actually just very, very, very thin.
Okay.
Cloudy stuff?
Yeah.
They say that can be yeast, that can be, what else?
Oh, lymphatic.
Lymphatic system, yeah.
Okay.
Which is like our body's sewer system. It recycles all the garbage, puts it through the liver, which is the recycling plant, and then puts it back into the general circulation.
Right.
So when the lymph system gets all clogged up, then we run into problems.
Right. I eat a lot of salmon, so I don't know whether a lot of the heavy metals that they have in the water that they eat is...
It will be absorbed by
yeah.
you for sure, and the same when they tell you that the perch from Lake Erie should only have once a year.
Oh, really?
That's how much mercury is in that.
So this is mainly what, yellow?
Yellowy brown, it's a good liver detox, which are our main organs anyway, so that's where we see
Yeah.
most of the color change from.
Okay.
And I would say most of the black on this first surface there is the zinc cathode deteriorating from the electrolysis.
Okay.
But regardless of what color change goes on, it's much more important to remember what's happening inside the body.
Right.
This is just a nice visualization, but what's going on inside the body is the main benefit from this machine, and you'll not be able to
Fully
comprehend it,
Yeah.
just from the color change in the water.
Anyone thirsty?